Alam niyo, nakakatuwa si Ace kasi she's the head of a group of young people. They, with her teacher, they organized an outreach program. It grew big that they took care of a free medical clinic. You know, every Sunday, you would be amazed. There would be more than 100 of poor, sick people lying in there. Kasi they get the best doctors, they give best medicines and complete, like 9 days na antibiotic. Nakakatuwa, Ace and her group, sila nagsusulisit. Sila yung nagbibigay from their own baon when they were students. And I suppose, mula sa kanilang mga sweldo, I really admire their group. No? And it's still going on there. Their legacy is still there. I will never forget that, Ace. It's part of my journey, and I'm so happy to have met you. We would always remember how you support me during the time I was in bamboo organ, during our international bamboo organ festivals, when I was in St. James, during our fundraising concerts. You would be always there. Well, I know you love music, but I think you love more this cause of helping the poor. My prayer will always go wherever you go. So I wish you all the best.